Does the meat industry affect global warming? It does in many ways, but there is ways to overcome that. A new technology with genetics and 3D printing, it's the same exact thing as eating meat from an animal, but it's 3D printed. The meat is no different. It's the same meat and everything. You grow the meat in a lab with cells, or the 3D printer can do it, and it makes it so the animals are not being killed inhumanely and living in cruel environments to make animals suffer and live on farms where they are butchered. Think of all the carbon that the meat industry puts into our atmosphere. The cows, they release carbon dioxide when they breathe, and the fuel for bringing them to the butcher shop, bringing the meat to warehouses and to stores all around the area. Now with 3D printing, that can change that. With 3D printing, the 3D printer uses cells to make muscle tissues and make muscle cells and make fat cells and make all the same cells that meat has. And it's no difference. It's the same exact taste. It feels the same way, and you can't even tell the difference between the taste. Now, it's becoming more every day about 3D printing food. In the future, by 2040, by 2030, 2040 latest, every household will have a 3D printer in it that can print its own food. That is a thing that many people around the world are already figuring it out, because it's a great way. It will reduce the food issues that we have, and food will be more easy to get, and we won't be having such a food crisis, and it will reduce our carbon emissions. I highly recommend a 3D printer to you all. And if you don't have one, find out where the nearest place near you that has 3D printed food is and try it. I promise you, you won't regret. You can't tell the difference. It's the same exact thing. It's no difference at all. The only difference is you're actually helping the environment and caring for animals by not killing them in humane ways and making them suffer and live on farms where they are crowded and living in stalls or living smushed together with other animals just so they can make more money selling meat. Why would you want to kill an innocent animal when you can make the food without killing anything? Thank you all. See you all in the next cool video.
Camera.